Hi, this is Rockin' Robin. Welcome. You are on Rockin' Robin's Garage Sale Finds, the YouTube channel that helps resellers make more money. Well, today we're going to talk about sold items. What sold in October? Now, I sold a lot of clothes. I sold some other things. I sold some Halloween things. But basically, I sold a lot of clothes. Well, we are going to show you the items that I sold, tell you a little bit about them, give you some tips, some secrets, things like that. So if this is your first time here, I want you to know we sell on eBay, we sell on Mercari, we sell on Poshmark, we sell on Facebook Marketplace, and we sell at the flea market. And we do videos on all of those. So you stay with us. We'll be right back. We're going to talk about sold items. Okay, so let's take a look at some items that sold. I told you that NFL is always hot. It's hot from August right through February, I would say, when the Super Bowl is. And this is a Texans jersey, but it is also a reversible jersey, and it's for flag football. So it's kind of different. So I bought it. I wasn't sure what to expect. I paid $1 for it. I found it at a garage sale, and I only sold it for $15, but hey, that's not so bad. And next was this shirt. This is another one that I didn't make a ton on, but you know, I bought this one as well for $1 on the dollar days. These clothes that I sell that don't always make a lot of money, they keep you going during the week. You maybe sell 3 of them and you make $30 or so. But hey, it's better than nothing. And you hope that you sell 5 or 10 of them and you keep going until you sell the big ones. Again, I think I only got $15 for this. That's okay. Keeps me going. This one I got for $1 at a garage sale. It was a Caribbean. I haven't been able to find any Tommy Bahamas, but I found this Caribbean. And it was a 3X, which was weird. So I don't find a lot of 3X, but whenever you find 3X, the bigger items do sell because they're harder for people to find. This is a 3XL. And I think this one also sold on eBay. I have a lot on eBay, but I have some on Mercari and some on Poshmark. Actually, I think this was Mercari, and I got 16 for it. And this one over here, see, they're not all selling for 16. This one I sold on eBay. It was a Pendleton. I bought it for $8.99 at the store that I usually buy items for $1. They have a boutique section. So I go through there because you never know what you're going to find. I did find this Pendleton shirt. It was gray, long sleeve. It was very nice. It had little patches on the arms, which I always think is cool, like a little suede patch, and they were brown. And I put it up for $65. I saw others had sold for $59 and $60. I was hoping to get at least $60. I made a couple people offers at $60. Nobody took it, but then somebody bought it for $65. So that made me very happy. Now, over here, this Jockey underwear, I found this for $1 at a tag sale. If you find these, and these are brand new, Jockey brands, a lot of different brands sell. So I sell a lot of underwear, men or women, if they're new in package, and I'm only spending $1. This one I only got $13.99. It wasn't anything special, but sometimes you can get quite a bit for them. So, you know, if you see something new in package, even if it's not the type of thing you sell, you want to make some extra bucks, hey, I'll take $10 here and there on all the items that are not great, but that I can sell, because I'll sell anything. All right, so next, if you recall, last year, probably around this time, some sports store went out of business and had a bunch of stuff at the thrift store, and I bought this for, I believe it was $5. I sold a ton of it. I had several of these in several different sizes, and I've been selling the last few months. I got 25, and, you know, I'll take it. And I just mentioned to you that I could not sell my crocodile purses. And look at this. This one sold. Now, I originally was asking $40, and I kept going down, 40 to 35 to 30 to 20. I only got $14.98, I believe. You know, it's not what I wanted, but I only paid $1 at a garage sale. And sometimes I'm happy when I get anything. So, you know, it wasn't what I wanted, but it's a profit. And I'll take it and move along. Now, the next one is quite funny because this was something my partner in crime saw. I had no idea what it was. We found it at a garage sale for $5, and I think we got money off. I think it ended up being like $3.50, and she knew right away that it was a holster, that it was a Star Wars Han's Solo holster. So we knew that it would sell if someone wanted to go to Comic-Con or for Halloween. Well, we sold it this week. When we looked it up, we were surprised. A lot of people had them listed at $75 and $100. I didn't see any selling for quite that high, but we sold ours for $65. And I have to always put this in because this is a staple. We are still selling our lotions. We're running low on this oatmeal one. We have a different flavor that we're going to have to push. Hopefully we can sell some of those. We also sold some at the flea market when we went this past weekend. So that was pretty good. We'll bring some next weekend, and we're going to show you our flea market next weekend because we're doing 2 of them again. But we sold 2 bottles, I think, for $10. And next, we sold this, you might recall, I think it was even last week, or week before maybe, that I bought this at a garage sale for $1. It's an LA Starbucks mug, and I got $24.99 for it. I'm always looking for Starbucks items. Some sell, some don't. Some I've gotten stuck with, so you can't tell, but for $1, it's always worth taking a chance. So those were some of the things that we sold in the second half of October. I'm not going to show you everything, but a lot of it was clothes. And I wanted to tell you, you know, sell your bread and butter, even if they're not worth a lot of money. It's okay. And then find the ones that are worth more. That's always a good thing to do if you want to stay in this business. Don't always count on just the big items. Be prepared for a lot of different things and keep your eyes open. So those are the things that we sold in October. Well, welcome back. Those were some of the items that we sold in the second half of October. I hope you enjoyed that. Now, I don't know what day you're watching this on and what time. I don't want to say it's the morning, it's the night, it's the evening. But I hope that you enjoyed the video. And please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a big thumbs up. We really appreciate that. What I want you to do right now is go find some items that you can put in the sold. We want to hear that you sold them. And then you go make yourself some money. See you soon.